Good morning, this is Marks from the Bible in 1 Year. Today we're going to look at Numbers 7. Numbers 7 describes the offerings brought by the leaders of the 12 tribes of Israel after the tabernacle was dedicated. The 12 tribal leaders each brought the same gifts but on different days. Their offerings included silver plates and bowls filled with fine flour and oil, gold dishes filled with incense, and animals for burnt offerings, sin offerings, and fellowship offerings. Although the gifts were identical, each leader and each tribe was recognized individually. This emphasizes that every tribe had an equal opportunity to honor God. The chapter concludes with Moses entering the tabernacle, where he heard God speaking to him from above the mercy seat on the Ark of the Covenant. When we look at Numbers 7, the following key theme stands out: generosity and giving, equality before God, faithful worship, God's presence among His people, and honoring each person's contribution. Now, how do we apply Numbers 7 in our lives today? Well, firstly, give willingly. Whether it's your time, your talents, or your resources, giving with a willing heart is valuable. Don't compare your contributions to others. The leaders gave the same offerings, showing that every sincere act of service matters. Focus on faithfulness rather than comparison. We should also be consistent in serving. Each leader filled his responsibility in an orderly way. Consistent faithfulness often has a lasting impact. Fourthly, honor God in every action. You see, worship is not only about ceremonies. It can be reflected in integrity, in kindness, and in obedience in our everyday life actions. And finally, see God's presence. Just as Moses met with God in the tabernacle, setting aside time for prayer and reading and reflection can help us deepen our relationship with God. In essence, Numbers 7 teaches that God notices every faithful act of worship and service. Even when contribution seems ordinary or similar to each other's, they are significant to Him when offered with sincerity and with obedience. More simply, no sincere act of worship or service is too small for God to notice and use for His purposes. Have a blessed day.